Childhood trauma can leave a child with cellular impression of sadness, shame, guilt, anger, and more negative emotions which they often feel that they have to hide in order to survive and be loved and accepted. If one has experienced rejection, abandonment, or abuse in childhood years, they would learn to hide the pain and fear to not be hurt or rejected again. These repressed and suppressed emotions can only lead to cycles of self-sabotage in adulthood, but can also lead to addictions, relationship issues, loneliness, disorders, diseases, crisis, and self-harm. In Shri, we have incorporated inner child healing in our therapeutic techniques for treating and resolving the root cause of the individual's pain and distress. The concept of an inner child can be traced to psychiatrist Carl Jung, who described a child archetype in his work. He linked this child to past experiences and memories of innocence, playfulness, and creativity, along with hope for future. Also, in transactional analysis, Dr. Eric Bourne has described about child ego, parent ego, and adult ego so as to be aware, conscious, and identify the ego states which can bring more constructive interactions and connections with people close to oneself. Other experts describe this inner child as an expression of not just your child self, but your lived experience through all life stages. The inner child is also noted as a source of strength, since early experience can play a significant part in our development as an adult. As we grow in our life journey, we experience many events, like when our wishes are not fulfilled, when we are treated badly, when we are forced to suppress our aggression, and many more. All these suppressed negative emotions lingers in our unconscious. These are the wounds of our inner child. Often the present distress or the negative emotions that we are feeling now may have enrooted from our wounded inner child, which can start from the mother's womb. Since the inner child is so important in determining our thoughts, emotions, and feelings in the present situation, there is an urgent need to heal the wounded inner child. Inner child healing enables a person to nurture his own self by giving love, compassion, etc., without being dependent on any external source for it. Inner child work helps you to finally accept and feel your emotions, and to nurture by taking care of the child within, and integrating your child ego, parent ego, and adult ego too. It helps a client in the following ways: accessing repressed memories that are holding you back, being able to feel again after years of being numb, gaining personal power and the ability to set boundaries, learning how to take better care of yourself, feeling self-compassion and liking yourself more, being able to enjoy life and have fun again, gaining self-confidence, honoring and able to take care of oneself. Hence, it is very important to take care nurture, and heal our inner child to be able to live our lives with joy, overall health, and well being. Thank you.